Good morning, students. Now, as I told you in the last class, that last class we finished 10.1. Now in this class we start 10.2. Okay. Now exercise 10.2. What is the first question? The first question is, from a point Q, the length of a tangent to a circle is 24, and the distance of Q from the center is 25. The radius of the circle is 40. Question number 1. In the geometry, you have to draw a diagram if necessary. Yeah. So what is the question? From a point Q, the length of tangent, the radius is to be find out. Center, and that is what? PQ. You will join this one. Yes. The length of tangent is given 24. This is 24, and the distance of Q from center is 25. Find the radius. This is the question. Simple. With this type of question, the previous exercise where this one is given, this one is given, we need to find this one. Same is here. So again, in triangle OPQ, OP squared plus PQ squared, OP squared plus PQ squared equals OQ squared. Now what is OP? OP don't know. PQ 24, OQ 25. So OP squared equal 625 minus 576. So OP squared equal 49. 49. So what is OP? OP equal 7 centimeter. 7 centimeters. Yes, simple. The next question is, in the figure PP. Okay, now where is the figure? In the figure, this is the figure. So first, we have to draw diagram. First, let's draw diagram. In the figure, PP and PQ are two tangents to a circle with center O. Show that angle POQ equal 110, then find angle PTQ. Yes, PTQ is angle. As I told you earlier, these two angles are what? Point of contact 90 degree, 90, 110, 90. This will be how much? Cyclic or not? Opposite angles are 180, so this will be obviously 180. So 180 minus 110 equal what? 70. So angle PPQ plus okay. We know that what? OP perpendicular PT and OQ perpendicular QT. Therefore 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 110 degree plus 90 plus 90 plus 110 plus angle PTQ equal 360 degree. Equal 360 degree. 100, 200, 290, 290 plus angle PTQ equal 360 degree. So angle PTQ equal 360 minus 290 equal to how much? 70. Because see, the important, all are important. These are also important for 1 marks or 2 marks, but the important question, mainly the important question start from where? Start from question number 10, 10, 11, then 13. 12 is important, but not so much. It's language one. So now we'll discuss question number 7. So two concentric circles. Okay, now what is concentric circle? Concentric circle means circles more than one, means 2, 3, 4, having the same center. So here two concentric circle, it means they have the same center. Okay. Two concentric circle are of radius 5 and 3. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the small circle. Okay, now find the length of the chord. Suppose this is the chord. AB is the chord for the larger circle, and which is the tangent for a smaller circle. If AB is the chord for a larger circle, which what is given that the chord which touches the small circle, it means the chord touches the smaller circle at only one point. If the line segment touches the circle at only one point, that is the tangent. So if this is the tangent, this is the point of contact. So it means this angle is how much? 90 degrees, and this is the radius of a smaller circle. Yes. So now the radius of the concentric circle are given 5 and 3. 5 and 3. This one 5, this one 3. So what is the question? Find the length of the chord. Means we need to find the value of AB. What is the value of AB? Okay, this point is suppose P. This is suppose center node. Name is given, or name is not given. So let AB is the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle at P. It is given that OA equal to 5 cm and OP equal 3 cm. We need to find AB. What is the value of AB? Okay, now in triangle OAP, which one hypotenuse? Hypotenuse OA. So OP square plus AP square equal OA square. OP square plus AP square equal OA square. Now what is OP? OP equal 3. What is AP? AP equal to don't know. Then OA equal 5. So AP square equal 5 square minus 3 square. So what is AP square? AP square equal 25 minus 9, 16. So AP equal 4 cm. Yes. So AP equal 4 cm. Okay, now there is another theorem. We got in class 9 that the length of the perpendicular, which is drawn from the center to a chord bisect the chord. It means suppose there is one circle, there is a beta 1. Where is the chord AB? If AB is the chord and OP is perpendicular to AB, so if we draw the perpendicular from the center to the chord, the perpendicular bisect the chord, it means the length of AP and the length of PB both are equal. So by the theorem, okay, I mentioned them also, we know that the perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisect the chord. Therefore, AP equal twice of AB equal twice of AP. So what is AP? 4. So 2 into 4, 8 cm. So the length of AB equal to 10 or 8 cm. Got it? This is the solution. Okay, now question number 8 simple. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Circle is what? Inside a quadrilateral. Prove that AB plus CD equal AB plus BC. Okay. So without using compass diagram. Look like an oval, na? Basket over baseball. ABCD. So what is the question? AB plus CD. AB plus CD. We have to prove that AB plus CD equal AB plus BC. Okay, this is handled. Suppose the circle crosses the coordinate at a point P, Q, R, S. Yes, then prove that what? This one. Okay, now question number 8. Solution. Let the circle touches the quadrilateral ABCD at P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R and S. To prove that what? AB plus CD equal BC plus AD. To prove that AB plus CD equal BC plus AD. Not proof. There is no construction. The next is proof. There is no construction. The next is proof. We know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in length. To know that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, then the tangent drawn from an external point A. So AP equal to AS, BP equal to BQ, DR equal to DS, CR equal to CQ. Yes. So AP equal AS. Then BP equal, my name BP, equal BQ. Equation 1, suppose equation 2. Then DR equal DS, DR equal DS, equation number 3. And then CR equal CQ, CR equal CQ, equation number 4. AP equal AS, BP equal BQ, then DR equal to DS, CR equal to CQ. Now we will add them, add all. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. AP plus BP plus DR plus CR 12. AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. Okay, now what is AP plus BP? AP plus BP equal to AB. DR plus CR equal to what? CD. Then AS plus DS. AS plus DS equal AD. And then BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ equal question number 9 is important question. Question number 9 is important question for the exam point of view. Question number 9. Solution. To prove that angle POV equal to 90 degree. So in this question, whatever given the question, that is you have to note down here again. Once again, that is suppose notice V statement or given. Now I prove it from the construction. You have to note down what is given. Suppose these are the lines, these are the tangents, these equal to this given. Suppose then to prove that this. Then I start from construction. What is the construction? Here we join what? OA. Oh, sorry, OC. And suppose I mark this angle X. No, sorry, not X. It is X. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose I mark the angles 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. So in exam, if you mark the angles, then you have to mention that what is angle 1A, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. So here in the given, you can mention that let angle POA equal to 1, let angle AOC equal to 2, BOC equal to 3, and BOQ equal to. Okay, so suppose here let angle AOP equal angle 1, angle AOC equal angle 2, angle BOC angle 3, angle BOQ equal angle 4. The next construction. What is construction? To join OC. In construction, to join OC. Okay, now proof. In triangle AOP and AOC. In triangle AOP and triangle AOC. AP equal AC, length of tangents, from external point. Next, OA equal to OA. Angle OPA equal angle OCA. Both are what? 90 degree. Therefore, triangle AOP congruent triangle AOC by RHS. Right hypotenuse. AOP equal AOC. Now, if AOP equal to AOC, then angle AOP equal to angle AOC. CP. Angle AOP equal angle AOC. Now see, we mark them. What? We mark them by 1 and 2. we mark angle AOB equal to 1 and AOC equal to 2. So here I don't know this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. It's up to you. You can keep it like this, AOB and AOC also. If you find it difficult to keep this like this, then you can consider that A1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is equation number 1. Now similarly we can prove that what? Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Equation number 2. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Now add them. 1 plus 2. Add them. So 1 and 3. See 1 and 3. What? Angle 1. Sorry, 1. Yes, angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 4. So 1 plus 2. Suppose now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4 straight line equal to how much? 180 degrees. Now what is 1? 1 equal to 2. Now see, we are going to prove that angle AOB equal to 90. AOB. Now what are the angles present in AOB? AOB, the angles are 2 and 3. So we replace 1 by 2 and 4 by 3 because the angle is AOB means 2 and 3. There are sum of angles 2 and 3. So 1 to replace by 2, 2 remains 2, 3 remains 3, 4 remains 3 equal to 180. So twice of angle 2 plus twice of angle 3 equal to 180. 2 to cancel. 2 plus 3 equal to 90. Now 2 plus 3 means angle AOB equal to 90 degree. You got it? So this one. Add them 1, 2, 3, 4. 180 straight line. 2, 2, 3, 3. Twice 2 plus 3 equal 180. 2 plus 3 equal 90. Then 2 plus 3 means angle AOB. Got it? So this is the important question. Yes. Now next class.